Unlocking English, Tickets at the Gate, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might come across when attending events or traveling. Tickets at the gate. This phrase can be a little confusing if English is not your first language, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. The phrase, tickets at the gate, refers to the practice of purchasing tickets for an event or entry to a place directly at the entrance, rather than in advance. The gate, in this context, is a metaphorical or literal barrier or entry point to a venue, such as a stadium, theater, or amusement park. Key points. Tickets are passes or permits that allow you entry to an event or location. The gate symbolizes the entrance where these tickets are checked or sold. This phrase is commonly used in contexts where tickets can be bought on the spot, without prior reservation. Buying tickets at the gate can have its advantages and disadvantages. Let's explore why some people choose this option. Advantages. Flexibility. You can decide to attend an event at the last minute without planning ahead. No online booking fees. Sometimes, buying at the gate can save you from extra charges that online ticket services might impose. Disadvantages. Risk of sellouts. Popular events might sell out quickly, leaving gate buyers without tickets. Potential for long lines. You might have to wait in line to purchase your ticket, especially at popular venues or events. Now that we understand what tickets at the gate means and when it's used, let's look at how to incorporate it into sentences. Examples. Are we buying tickets in advance, or can we just get tickets at the gate? I heard that tickets at the gate are a bit more expensive than buying them online. The festival offers tickets at the gate, but they recommend purchasing in advance to guarantee entry. Understanding phrases like tickets at the gate can make your English language journey smoother, especially when traveling or attending events. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of the phrase for you. Remember, learning a new language is all about discovering one phrase at a time. So don't hesitate to reach out with more phrases you'd like us to explain. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.